All right, guys. So we're gonna try this again, man. I had some technical difficulties earlier. Hopefully, I think I've got it all worked out. I went ahead and made sure I was signed into everything because all of a sudden, of course, it needed me to sign in again, which don't make any sense at all. Considered I'm always signed in. So then it wanted me to do a code, blah blah blah. If you guys saw that, I apologize. But I think I got it all worked out. Let's get back to making productive landing pages. I don't know if you're a marketer, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you have your own products. I don't know that. I don't have my own products. I am an affiliate marketer. So what basically I do is I use other people's products on my website, my web pages, my landing pages, and I just collect a commission off of those. I'm sure most of you probably know what affiliate marketing is. If you don't, I'll be dropping a lot of really good stuff about affiliate marketing coming up. I want you guys to take the journey with me. I mean, for lack of a better term, I want you guys to be with me as I go through this thing, man, and as I start to put everything together to build this business. I mean, in today's day and age, man, digital marketing is the way to go. I mean, you can go and open you a storefront, but then you've got to pay for everything. You've got to buy your inventory. You've got to do all that stuff. Now, with affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about that at all. I'm an affiliate with Impact. I don't know if guys know about Impact.com, but Impact covers a very wide range of different products and services. Today, we're going to be selling software. I'm an AppSumo affiliate, so that's what we're going to be looking at. I'll be using Pipeline Pro to build my my landing pages with. So hopefully you guys, man, I hope you guys join me. Hopefully we'll get something out of this, and let's just go ahead and go forward. I'm going to go ahead and move us down into our next page. All right, so now you can see here I'm on my Bing Microsoft page, obviously. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over here first to AppSumo. Let's do some research. See, I want these to be about email marketing. If you were to go to my website, you would see, let me see. I went to my sitemap. Sorry about that. Let's go to PowerDigital121.com. So here we're on my website, right? So if we go to my Power Hub, we can go down here and click on this. And this is what I've been working with here lately. I've been building, I've been doing a lot of stuff on email marketing. Man, this is probably the best guide on email marketing you're going to find on the internet. I mean, I built this, I made this myself. It's excellent, man. I cover everything, as you can clearly see. 33 best practices, man. This is an excellent guide if you guys want to begin email marketing. So I say all that to say this, that we are going to be going with that trend. That's what I'm going to be working on today, is email marketing software, because what I'm going to do next is I'm going to do a comparison video or blog, right, with a video in it, of course, where I compare two different softwares. So here's the thing. I want to stay with that same trend, right? So today we're going to go over here. We're going to look at AppSumo, and we're just going to put in email marketing. Let's just go see what they've got. Now, I've got to tell you, man, Send Now is really a great product. And as you know, it is Black Friday. So these deals are amazing that they've got over there. As you can clearly see, we've got Send Now is only $59 for a lifetime with software as a service, the SaaS programs that we've got now. Everyone wants you to pay over and over and over again. I mean, obviously right now we're dealing with different things on my computer right now that we're dealing with that I have to pay for every month. That's the beauty of AppSumo. You don't have to worry about that at AppSumo, man. AppSumo is 100% one-time, lifetime payments. Now, they will have different tiers. There will be some things that if you buy the first tier won't be available to you, but it doesn't change the fact that you have it for a lifetime. It's not something that you have to pay month by month by month, and this is only available through AppSumo. These are actually SaaS, or software as a service programs, that normally you would have to pay a monthly fee for. You don't have to worry about that at AppSumo, which is why I love being an affiliate for AppSumo, because, man, I mean, it's great. It's so helpful to not have to worry about paying for it over and over and over again. And the deals are great. Why my Restream just dropped, it seems like it just dropped completely off the map, and I'm not sure why. Hopefully that didn't affect you guys too much. Let me check my Twitch stream real quick. Okay, my Twitch stream is there. It says it's an excellent, but I don't understand why it does not look excellent to me from my side. Hopefully it looks good for you guys if you're joining us on Twitch. Okay, anyway, let's get back to what we're talking about. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and look for email marketing services. And I think what we're going to go with, with SendNow and SendFox. These two are both amazing products. Now, yes, how would I do my research on this, right? So I don't have either one of these programs. So what I would do is, under most circumstances, let me go ahead and pull this up. I'll pull this over for us here. Let's go ahead and get a new topic. All right, so right now I'm using Bing ChatGPT, right? So I want to give me the pros and cons of SendFox and I forgot what the other one was called, man. SendNow. That's right. How could you forget that, right? And SendNow. I am creating a product review. Please give me all the ups and downs of each, and also how they compare to one another. Now, with this Bing, man, Bing is pretty good, actually, man. It does really well. It actually allows you to use GPT-4. It's amazing. Really, truly it is. That's something else that they want you to pay for. I don't know if you guys have seen how they're going through all that stuff they're going through right now at OpenAI, and I hate to see that, because I got to be honest, man, they have really helped me to streamline everything that I do. It's so much faster being able to use ChatGPT to do this. So if we look at the pros and the cons here, we've got SendFox first, of course, and now it's going to SendNow at the bottom, and it's going to let us know the pros and the cons of each. Like, hold on a second. Let's let it finish generating so that I can move it up and down without disturbing it. I don't want to mess it up at all. And no, I don't want to restore pages. All right, so now there it is. It's completed its generation. So it says SendFox is an email marketing tool designed specifically for content creators like myself, like you most likely. I don't know if you're a streamer. I don't know what you do. I have no idea what it is exactly that you do. I just hope that I can help you in bringing together a business from your home, man, where you don't have to worry about, even if you're working the 9 to 5 like me. I work full time at a Christian ministry. I'm a what you would call a counselor. I'm a office administrator. I was into drugs for a very long time, man. I left all that behind, walking with the Lord, man, and trying to help other people. And my affiliate marketing ventures have really helped me in being able to produce income. Even while I'm down there working for very little money, I'm actually able to make more money just by selling affiliate products. And that's a major plus, man. I mean, I don't know about you, but for me, that's a major plus. So this is something that creates a passive income. Passive meaning that you're not actively working on it all the time. My website that I showed you a little while ago, it makes money whether I'm awake, whether I'm asleep, whether I'm down there working in the office, or whether I'm sitting here in front of my computer. I can be streaming right now. There's likely someone on my website looking through my products, and that's awesome, because no matter what day or what time it is, anyone can make money through affiliate marketing, as long as you have the right channel set up, of course. So the pros of SendFox is an email marketing tool designed specifically for content creators. It lets you compose and send emails, customize emails, create landing pages, and automate your campaigns. Some of the pros and cons of SendFox are: pros, it's a one-time per year user. See, you see here how it says one-time fee per user per year? Oh, I'm sorry. It has a one-time fee per user, which is cheaper than most email marketing tools that would charge a monthly or prescription, whatever. It integrates with popular platforms like YouTube, WordPress, Shopify, and allows you to automatically draft emails with RSS content updates and weekly smart campaigns. It has simple and intuitive interface that lets you see your emails, automations, contacts, and performance metrics at a glance. The cons are it has limited features compared to other email marketing tools such as dynamic content, A/B testing, custom reports, and email deliverability reporting. Now, I just want to say, do you see how easy it is for me to do this research with ChatGPT? I mean, it's so much easier than having to go and dig through everything, man. It brings it together for you, man. This takes up so much time doing it the old way. This is so much easier. I can look at the pros and cons right now, just that fast, and here we are. But it has limited features compared to other email marketing tools, such as dynamic content, A/B testing, custom reports, or email deliverability reporting. It has fewer templates and customization options. It has less customer support. Okay, now Send Now is a file sharing and collaborative tool that lets you send large files, collect feedback, and track activity. It is part of Adobe Acrobat family of products. Some of the pros and cons of Send Now are pros. It has a generous free plan that allows you to send up to 2 gigabytes of files per month. That's a lot, man. That's a lot for free. I mean, I don't know any of this stuff. I'm doing this right here with you at the exact same time, so I don't know what it has, to be completely honest with you. It has a limited file format. It integrates with Adobe Acrobat and other Adobe products. And if you see right here, I use Adobe. It's right. It should be right here somewhere. There it is, right there. So I mean, since I use Adobe, that makes it so much easier for me, right? It has secure, reliable platform and encryption for your files. It provides delivery receipts, which lets you know it's been delivered, and it lets you manage your file access and permissions. It has a limited file format compared to other file sharing tools. For today, though, I think what we're going to do, I think we're going to go with SendFox today. I think we're going to build a landing page with SendFox rather than with Send Now. So here we are. Let's go to SendFox. All right, now this is another cool thing. I contacted AppSumo and I said, listen, I really would like to be able to use your videos in my landing pages. And you know what they said? They said, go ahead, man. They said, thank you for asking, right? So you see the video right here that is contained in there. I'm going to show you how we're going to add that to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at how they did their landing page here. We want to make these landing pages very similar so that it still remains the same after whenever they click on it and come to this page. We don't want them to feel like they've gone somewhere completely alien to where they started at, right? So let's just look over this a little bit. Okay. And let's go to Pipeline Pro. You can see my active funnels. We're going to create a new funnel. We're going to name it something like Black Friday digital. Let's go with SendFox email platform, email marketing. All right, we're not going to access any of the templates. We're just going to go ahead and create it from scratch. And it should be on here, right there. Just go ahead and click on it. And we're going to add a new step. The name for the page. Let's go ahead and bring this back up. We're going to ask ChatGPT, give me a good page name for my Black Friday promotion of SendFox for my landing page. See what it does. Excuse me, I had to get a drink of my coffee, man. I've been sick for the last few days. It's been a trip, man, just to say the least. All right, so you see what it's done is it's generated me multiple different titles, right? So now we can go through and check if I wish, man, you guys tell me which one you want, man. How to say big on email marketing with SendFox this Black Friday. Don't miss this epic Black Friday deal on SendFox. Best tool for content creators. I really like that one. SendFox Black Friday Bonanza. Get lifetime access to unlimited email marketing for a fraction of the cost. Now that is good. But see, what we would do is, I think I'm going to use that, but we're going to use that on the landing page itself. We're not going to make that the title. In fact, I think we're going to go with how to say big on SendFox. This is what we're going to do for our title right here. We're going to take this as our title, and we're going to switch back to our other page. Sorry, I can be an idiot from time to time, seriously. Okay, here we go. Paste. All right. Now the path we're not going to worry about. We're not going to import from ClickFunnels. We're going to create the first step. We're going to create it from blank. And this is going to bring us to our editor, right? And here we are. A completely empty page. And see, this is what really used to kill me, man, was this completely empty page. I used to be like, oh my God, what am I going to do with this? How is this going to work out, right? So what we're going to do is, I'm not going to go full width. I'm going to go wide. Let's go wide. We're going to add a row. We're going to add it. We're going to make it one column. We're going to add an element. And we're going to first begin with a sub headline, right? From the sub headline, we're going to go back to our other page here. And we're going to go with this right here. Bang, that's going to be our sub. Now we're going to skip back to here. Let's paste it in. Bang. I don't understand why it sometimes does that. But we don't want it to be like that. Now you see how I can either click on the plus right here or right here. That'd be a whole nother section. We don't want a whole nother section yet. This is our tag, right? So we're going to want to hit that, and we're going to go with the main headline. You see the difference in how that worked out right there, how it looks? Now let's go back to our other page. And we're going to make this, bang, we're going to take that. We're going to paste it in. Let's go ahead and fix it again. Now we're going to want to bold this, of course. Bang. We're going to want to maybe even underline it. Let's have us a look. I would like to add, we're going to go ahead and bold this too as well. All right. Now, I don't know. Should I maybe put something under the bottom of it? I don't know. Okay. So let's go ahead and add a new section. We're going to go with it a wide, not full width, of course. We're going to make it let's go ahead and go with one column, right? And this element that we're going to add is going to be a custom JavaScript. Okay, now the killing part is that this is not going to show up. This is one thing I do not like about Pipeline Pro, is that whenever I put this custom thing in here, we're going to have to go preview it on the link in order to see how it actually looks, right? But I mean, that's okay. That's not a big deal, man. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to this, and I'm going to click on this right here, and I'm going to go to some share options. Let's go. We don't want to do that now, do we? Let's go see it on YouTube. So now when we get here to YouTube, right, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to come down here to the share option, right? So let's go share. And we're not going to do that. We're going to go embed, right? We're going to get that. We're going to take this, and we're going to copy it right here. And we're going to go back to Pipeline Pro. We're going to double click on this. We're going to open the code editor, and we're going to slap this baby in there. Bang, right? Yes, and we're going to save it. All right, so there we are. There we have it, okay? Now, underneath this, I'm going to go ahead and create another wide column, right? I'm going to add a row. And what I want to do is I want to make it, I don't know, let's just say 1 or 2. Let's go with 2 column, okay? Oh, come on now. 2 columns. Okay, there we are. There's our 2 columns. Now let's click back over here to SendFox, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to absolutely, let's see, let's go up here. It should have a place where it will give us images. Okay, so we're gonna actually, okay, that one looks pretty good. Of course, it's an animated. I don't really want it to be animated. I rather it just stay still for me. Let's do this. That's good enough. Now, what I'm going to use is I'm going to use the snip and sketch option on Windows 10. First thing we got to do is get to the essence, right? What you'll do is you take this. I've got it on a different screen, so I'm actually going to move it back over there, but you just hit the new button, right? Now, you'll see it drop down like that. We're just going to grab this right here, right along the edge if we can get our mouse to work right. And we're just going to pull it all the way out like this. Bang. And now here we're, of course, are going to hit save. It's going to give me the option. I'll put it in my Amazon folder, of course, because that's become the folder that seems to catch every single thing that I do, right? But now let's go back to Pipeline Pro. And right here, we're going to add an element. What are we going to add? That's right. We're going to add the photo, man. We're not going to do an image feature. We're just going to add an image. And that image, we're going to go down here. And we're going to upload a file. I got a lot of stuff on my computer, man. If you can't tell, it's a lot. And we'll just find it in here. That's Titan Mail server screenshot right here. So that's the one we're going to want to use. And you can see all my other stuff that I've been using for other landing pages. It's just kind of what we got to do, man. All right, we'll select that. Bang, there we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add text, right? So we're going to go with paragraph, okay? It's been proven, man. I'm telling you, this has been proven that whenever you use the stutter step, okay, image right here, text beside the image, right? It seems to really get people's attention. I don't know why personally, but it does, okay? It does. So let's go ahead and we're going to go back here and we're going to ask ChatGPT. Please give me a product description for SendFox. So it'll generate that for me. Now, while it's generating that for me, I'll show you something else we could have done over there on the Pipeline Pro page. Is rather than just embedding the video from their website, from their YouTube, we could have just snip and sketched the picture of the screen that allows you to do it on YouTube. We could have just taken that, put it on there, and then linked it to the page. And actually, that helps your pages load faster. So SendFox is an email marketing tool that helps content creators grow their audience and engage their fans with customized emails. With SendFox, you can blah, 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 blah. So we're just going to kind of take this. And normally, if I wasn't doing this live, I would actually redo quite a bit of that. You know what I mean? But that's just not the case right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on here. Let's do a preview of it. Let's see what it previews like. Now you see this is a preview of it. So what I've realized right now is that is in the wrong place, right? And we're going to put that over. We're going to make all this look a whole lot better in a little while. Right now, we're just getting our elements on there the way that we want them, right? So with that being noted, let's go ahead and go back to Pipeline Pro. Okay, we're not ready to do our data and all that other good stuff just yet. What I would like to do is, I would like to click on this, and I would like to go down or up. I want to take some of this padding out, as a matter of fact. What I would like to do is to click on this. I want to take some of this padding from the bottom of it. We're going to bring that up some, and the padding from the top, so that it looks, kind of right. And I would like to also go back. I'm not going to mess with that right now. Okay. So this right here, I would like to configure this to be in the center of the page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the code editor, right? I'm going to take this code right here and I'm going to copy it. Now I'm going to show you, this is another excellent use for ChatGPT. So watch, we're going to bring up ChatGPT. I'm going to say, please rewrite this code to display the video in the center of the page. Give it a little colon, give it the code, let it do its work. Checking to see how it looks on YouTube right now. Sorry. Know if we got anyone watching at all, looking to see. But that's okay if we don't. It doesn't really matter as far as that goes. Okay, but now we're back here. All right, there's our new code, right? As far as that goes, we're going to take this code, we're going to copy it. We're going to go back over here. We're going to, again, highlight all this, and we're going to paste it in. We're going to go save. Now, let's go preview, and let's see where our video should be in the middle. There it is. You see the difference? Just that easy. I don't need to know how to code, because ChatGPT can rewrite that code for you just like that, help you lazy load your elements and stuff like that. It's so much easier, y'all. God, I can't even begin to tell you how much easier it really is now with ChatGPT to help with those things, man. It's amazing, just to say the least. But the one thing that I don't like, you see how this is? I mean, this does not look large enough. I mean, I wish you guys could tell me. I mean, should we make that larger? I think so, right? So let's go back over here to Pipeline Pro. Let's go ahead and kill these. We don't need those. Those are the preview pages. They repeatedly make them, and I don't understand why. Let's go ahead and make these a little larger. I want to go ahead and take this, and I want to change the font size on desktop. I want to go ahead and take this, and I want to change the. Let's bring it up on desktop. No, down like that. Let's take this. Let's bring it down just a little bit more. That costs right there. Okay, now this right here we're going to want to make on desktop. We're going to want to make it large like this. We're going to make it bigger than the one that we just had. Okay, bang. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add a bottom to this. I'm going to go ahead and do a subheading. Bang. Let's go back to ChatGPT. Scroll back up. Find where it was. Let's go back to ChatGPT. Okay, that's not it. Find where it was. Here we are. Okay, that's not it. We're going to grab this one right here. Here we are. Grab this amazing Black Friday bargain on Sendbox. The email marketing tool you need. We'll go with this one right here. We'll copy that. And we will go ahead and add that to here. Bang. Let's pull this back, of course. And we will, right? Now, what we're making it's going to make it look a whole lot better, right? We're going to bold that, of course. It's going to make it look a whole lot better. We don't want that to be down like that. We want it to all fit on one, so we're going to bring our desktop size down just a little bit. We want it to be about the same size. Right? Bang. So as you can see, clearly, that has a much more aesthetically good look to it. Let's preview it real quick. As you can see, clearly, see how it looks. A much more aesthetically good look to it. Now we're starting to get somewhere with it now, right? See how it looks. So the first thing you notice, the first thing that I put on here is the video. I want them to be able to click on that video, and this is what happens. See what I mean? Immediately the video starts playing. They're going to explain to them what this product is. Since we have the permission to do that, it makes it so much better to be able to deal with that, right? So, which is awesome. I mean, truly it is, okay? Really, really it is. So let's go back. We're going to get rid of this real quick. We're going to go back to Pipeline Pro. And what I want to do is, now we're going to go to Impact, right? And, first, well, excuse me. First, we're going to go back here to SendFox. Boom, right here like this. All right, now what we got is SendFox right there. Now what I'm going to do, I need you to pay close attention to this right here, because I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this, and there's a reason, okay? Now let's go to Impact. We're going to go to AppSumo. I'm going to copy this, and there's a reason. We're going to go to Create Link. Let's go to Impact. Landing Page, Optional. Right, so we're going to paste this in there. SendFox. You see how I put in the link for that landing page right there? Now create, boom, and it just created my link. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy that link. Now create, boom. All right, let's go back to Pipeline Pro. Now I want to take this right here, and what I want to do is scroll down here to the bottom where it says Actions, None. We're going to go to website URL, down here to the bottom where it says Paste. And we're going to open it in a new tab because we want them to be able to return to the other page, obviously, right, for obvious reasons. But now when they click on this, it's automatically going to bring them to the landing page at AppSumo, where we will be collecting our commissions. So that's exactly what we want it to do, okay? At AppSumo, where we will be collecting our commissions. And I got to say, I don't like the way this looks either. So let's go ahead and copy. Let's go ahead and just highlight all of this. First things first, let's back that up some, right? Let's make it to where it's the way it's supposed to be. We're going to take this. What we're going to do is we're going to scroll up to somewhere here. I want to change to somewhere here. Oh man, where is it at? I'm lost. I've lost myself here. Oh man, where is it at? Alright. Now we should have, there we are. Desktop font size. Let's bring that font size up. What we want to do is we want to make it aesthetically look pretty close to the same size as this, as best as we can. You know what I mean? Like as best as we can. We want it to be as close to the same size. So let's bring that down. Alright, let's bring it down to 16. And 16 looks pretty close, right? Let's go ahead and highlight all of it. We're going to make it bold. Let's go ahead and we're not going to go with that. That's I want it to be bold. I want it to be left. Nah, I don't know which looks better. Let's see. I want it to be all right. That's pretty good. I don't know which looks better. Let's see. I want it to be all right. That's pretty good. Now let's go with background color here, and we're gonna make the background color. Let's go back and look at it real quick. SendFox, okay. See, they've got the white background here. They got blue accents. Of course, they've got the red right there. $90 down to $49. You got the video there, of course. Let's just kind of see how this looks. This is what we're looking for, right? We want it to look a whole lot like this so that they're not surprised when they go somewhere else. You don't want them to feel like they've been taken to a whole different place. You want them to kind of feel like they're in the same spot. You know what I mean? All right, so now that we see that they got the blue right here. So let's go in here. We're going to go ahead and click on this. And what happens if we give it a blue background? It does not look good at all. Not that blue. Of course, we can change the shade of blue, but we're not going to wear it with that. Not at all, okay? We're going to actually just bring that back to white. There's no reason to even mess with that. Not at the moment, anyway. But what we do need is between here and here, I want to add one column. I want to add an element, and I want it to be a button. So let's go see, what does the buttons look like over here? You've got a yellow buy now button right there. Okay, that's good. So you want to kind of run with that same theme. So we'll make this yellow just like that one. Okay, that's good. Back to Pipeline Pro. Let's go ahead and go down here. And we're going to click on this. We're going to make it, yeah, that's not the right yellow, but it's close enough. All right, let's see. That's not the right yellow, but it's close enough. Let's go ahead and go with the, let's see, text color. I want it to be black. Let's go ahead and go with the, and we're going to want it to say something else. And we're going to want it to say, okay, the button, normal font. Okay, the button. Let's make it say, get now from AppSumo. Let's make it say, get now from, and I would like to change me some themes. And I would like to change And I would like to change. It's more of an orange than a yellow, I would think, though, right? It's more of an orange than a yellow. I really like the way this looks. It goes with that right there. I think that's probably going to be better. Getting out from AppSumo. Let's preview it. The way this looks. It goes with that right there. I think that's probably going to be better. Getting out from AppSumo. Let's preview it. The way this looks. It goes with that right there. Okay, it brings us here. You see, it's really direct and straight to the point. I mean, I didn't spend a whole lot of time messing with a whole bunch of other stuff. Notice how the padding between this is wrong, though. This has got to come up some. Let's go back to Pipeline Pro. Let's adjust our padding here. Let's bring our padding to the bottom up some, just a little bit. We want it to be kind of, want to be aesthetically pleasing, just for the lack of a better term, right? Now, aesthetically pleasing, just for the lack of a better term, right? Add another section. Now, no, hold on first. I'm sorry, I forgot. We need to go. See, the link would open the pop-up. We don't want it to open the pop-up just yet. What we want it to do is bring them to a website URL. The website, of course, is going to be paste. We're going to open in a new tab. So where we sit right now is, if they click here, either way it's going to take them to SendFox, right? Now, let's go back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to say, either way it's going to take them to SendFox, please now provide me substance for my landing page. Substance page. Promotion page of SendFox. Promotion. Make it informative and click provoking. Informative and click provoking. Informative and click provoking. I'm not even sure where it's supposed to tell me how many people are watching on YouTube. I'm not really, I haven't really streamed very much on YouTube, so I really don't know. Like on Twitch, it's simple. I see right now I've got one viewer. Of course, I just started this channel on here, so on Twitch, so I don't expect it to be really anyone there, for lack of a better term. So I don't expect it to be. Now you see, it's producing me all kinds of stuff, and I want you to understand too that normally I would take this stuff and I would break it down. I would go through it. I would redo it. I would do all that stuff. But for the sake of this video, for the sake of this live stream, I'm not going to do all that because then we'd be here for the rest of the day. I mean, like we'd be here till tomorrow afternoon sometimes, and we're not going to go. We're not going to go through all that. You know, we're going to just kind of take what we got here, generated for us, and we're going to use that, and hopefully we'll create a landing page that converts. Right. The main thing is the catch tag phrase. You know, that's the main thing. So now we're going to copy this, right? Copy, and drop it. Okay, here we are. So now we're going to copy this, right? Give me a wide, and drop it. Okay, here we are. I'm going to go one column, add element. We're going to go paragraph, one column, and we're going to paste it. We're going to go paragraph, one column. Take that out. We're going to paste it. Okay. Take that out. We're going to paste it. There we are. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and make this. Did I go the wrong way? No, I went the right way. We're going to go ahead and make this. Did I go the wrong way? No, I went the right way. Now we're going to take this and we're going to want to underline that, right? Where is my underline option? Come on now. There we go. Underline that right there. We've already got it bold, so we're going to take it. Okay. Now, we've already got it bold, so we're going to take it. Okay. Now, I hope this substance, okay. We're going to go ahead and pull up right here like this. And we're going to provide for them at the bottom of this another button. We're going to use, of course, the same type of button. We're going to use everything that we've got on this one right here. Go see our preview. Of course, the same type of button. We're going to use everything that we've got on this one right here. Go see our preview. Of course, the same type of button. We're going to use everything that we've got on this one right here. Go see our preview. Of course, the same type of button. We're going to use everything that we've got on this one right here. Go see our preview. All right. We do want to add on here. We do want to add on here the price. $49. See, these are different tiers, right? Different tiers have different $49. Different features that they offer. So, but we're not going to worry about that. We see that it's $49, right? I could actually take this. I could copy this right here. I could bring that over there to my landing page and have it bring them to it, but I don't want to do that, of course. So we're going to go back to our landing page. We're going to edit that right there. Instead of saying get now from AppSumo, we're going to edit that right there. Lifetime license, lifetime $49. License, lifetime $49. And we're going to take this and we're going to go and we're going to give it a sub. Whoa. There we go. Subtext right here. I'm sorry. I was about to mess up. We're going to give it a sub. Whoa. There we go. Subtext right here. I'm sorry. I was about to mess up. And we're just going to click here on it. Okay. So that's great, right? Now, I would like to just be able to copy this right here. Take this, I'm going to copy it. That's great, right? And we're just going to bring that down. Copy this right here. Where did it go? Not what I was trying to do. Okay. There we go. I missed it. I missed my grabber. Sorry. Where did it go? Not what I was trying to do. Okay. There we go. I missed it. Actually, my grabber. Sorry. Let's do that. We'll grab it. Let's do that. Copy it again. We're going to grab it. And we're going to put it inside of here as well. Let's do that. Copy it again. We're gonna grab it. Okay, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Copy it again. We're gonna grab it. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. I want to add some padding to this though. Let's add a little bit of padding on the top. I want to add some padding to this though. Oh, didn't mean to do it. I went to the wrong spot. I'm sorry. Padding on the top. Need to go here. Sorry, a little bit of padding on the bottom. Didn't mean to do it. I went to the wrong spot. I'm sorry. On the top. There we go. That gives us a little bit of space in between it. I'm gonna make those look about to be in about the same place if we can. I don't want it to be too far off. Let's add some padding on here as well. I don't want it to be too far off. Let's add some padding. That looks quite a bit more like it. Stop. We don't care. Move. That looks quite a bit. Now I can take this one and I can add some padding to the bottom. Just a little bit. Now I can take this one and I can add to bring it down some padding to the bottom. Just a little bit. Now I can take this one. Let's preview it. To bring it down some padding to the bottom. Just a little bit. Let's preview it. To bring it down some padding to the bottom. Just a little bit. Let's preview it. To bring it down some. Not too bad. Alright, not too bad. So I can kill all these. I got 30 of those things open, it looks like. Okay, Pipeline Pro. So I can kill all these. I got 30 of those things open, it looks like. Okay, alright, we're going to actually delete this. So we don't need it. We need this. This one right here. Okay, we're going to copy it. So we don't need it. We're just going to grab it and pull it down. Come on down. Okay, we're going to copy it. We're just going to grab it and pull it down. Come on down. Okay, we're going to copy it. We're just going to grab it and pull it down. Come on down. Okay, we're going to copy it. We're just going to grab it and pull it down. Come on down. It's not going to let me pull it all the way down there, so I'm just going to delete it. And I'm just going to do the same exact thing over here. It's no problem. Delete it. And I'm just going to do the same exact one column over here. It's no problem. Element. Button. Themes. No problem. Element. Button. Themes. There it is. All right. Themes. There it is. All right. Okay, lifetime license, $49. Click here. All right. Okay, lifetime license, $49. Click here. Okay, lifetime license. Click here. $49. License. Click here. $9. Okay, and we're going to take that and we're going to send it to website URL. Again, we're going to put our affiliate link in there. We're going to paste in our to website URL. Again, we're going to put our I forgot about that. Sorry. We're going to paste in our let's bring that out. Again, we're going to put our I forgot about that. Sorry. Let's bring that out. I forgot about that. Sorry. Let's bring that out. There we go. Okay, finally. So I sure didn't feel like it was going to let me do it. All right, so let's just click on this one. There's our link. There we go. Okay, finally. Copy our link. So I sure didn't feel like it was Scroll back down here to the bottom. Click on this one. Back on this one. Website URL. Bang, just that easy. Scroll back down. But now, we do need to set up. I don't know. Do we want to do a form in this one or not? We do need to set up. I don't know. Okay, there we go. Basically, there you have it. I mean, this right here gives them everything that they need to know. See, here, features like let me grow my email list, blah, 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 blah. This right here gives them everything that they need to know. See, here, features like let me grow my email list, blah, 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 blah. Here gives them everything that they need to know. See, here, features like let me grow my email list, blah, 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 blah. Here gives them everything that they need to know. See, here, features like let me grow my email list, blah, 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 blah. You know what? Let's do that. You know what? Maybe I could add, let's do that. You know what? To right here. I go wide. Maybe I could add, let's do that. You know what? To right here. Add a row. I go wide. Let's go with 3 columns, okay? To right here. Add a row. I go wide. Let's go with 3 columns, okay? To right here. Add a row. I go wide. Let's go with 3 columns, okay? Reviews. All right. Here we go. We're going to do the same thing here. We're going to go with reviews. Reviews. All right. And here we're going to go with reviews. Okay. Now, of course, we're not going to leave that in there like that, right? We're going to edit that. Okay. Now, of course, we're not going to leave that in there like that, right? We're going to edit that. Okay. Why is it doing that to me? I don't like that. Now, give me a few minutes. I'm going to go use the bathroom. I will be right back. Now, give me a few minutes. I'm going to go use the bathroom. I will be right back. Now, give me a few minutes. I'm going to go use the bathroom. I will be right back. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. Nature calls and all that good stuff. So, anyway, I'm not sure exactly how to use these review widgets. I haven't really messed with them at all. I would think that it would have. I'm not sure exactly how to use these. I think it's wanting me to attach it to some, and I don't have anything to attach it to. I'm not really sure how to use it, so we're gonna just go ahead and get rid of that completely and not worry about it. Okay, sounds good. We're gonna just go ahead and get rid of that. Now, I don't know if you're a real person, the one who's been on there the entire time I've been live here on Twitch, but I do appreciate it if you are sticking with me through this thing, man. I really do. I'm learning, man. I'm learning how to do all this stuff, just the same as you guys are. So there's no reason to put it like this. I'm in no way am I better than anyone else. Any of you guys who are watching, or anyone who may come across this, I'm just the same as you. I'm learning as I go, and I just love the fact that I want people to learn with me. I want you guys to be here with me. It would be nice to get a few comments, so if you want to chat, let me just say, how's it going? Here with me. Uh-oh, I got would be nice out there, buddy. Come on, take up the caps lock. Chat, let me just say, how's it going? Here with me. Uh-oh, I got would be nice out there, buddy. Come on, take up the caps. I don't know if my social stream ninja's working or not. Let's see. I guess that'll tell us, won't it? I don't know if my social stream ninja's working or not. Let's see. Yeah, it did not pop up on my live chat, so I guess not. Ooh, that's just how it goes sometimes, I guess. Yeah, it did not pop up on my live chat, so I guess not. So I want to go ahead and move this up some. Let's take the padding from the top. Bring it up. And let's go ahead and use this whole thing. We want to select the whole double feature here. Bang, right? And then we're going to remove padding from the bottom and bring that up a little bit. We're going to take this and we're going to go up just a little bit. Padding from the bottom and bring that up a little bit. Content alignment, that's fine. Never mind, that's good. That's good to go. All right, man. So as far as it goes, there's the landing page. Now, from here, this is what we've got to do. This is going to be saved, so we want to go ahead and save that. From here, this is what we've got to do. This is going to be saved, and we want to move back out of here. And we want to move back out of here. And actually, we've still got to go back and fix it for mobile. And we want to move back out of here. And actually, it has to be optimized for mobile as well. Fix it for mobile. And actually, it has to be optimized for mobile as well. Fix it for mobile. I know my internet connection is good, man, because I'm sitting here looking at the excellent on my live stream. Everywhere I look on my restream dashboard, it says excellent. It says excellent everywhere. I'm connected at 5,184 kilobits per second, so I don't understand what is taking that thing so long to do what it needs to do. I don't get that. I really, really, truly, I don't. Okay? So I could add another step, but I'm not going to. Not in this funnel. This funnel's good to go. So let's go to settings right here. All right, now it's going to be Sendbox email marketing platform. It's going to be the path, my favicon. Now I've got to go get that from my website real quick. So let's go get that real quick from my website. Don't know what's going on there. Okay, there we go. I'm going to go get it from my website real fast. I should have a hosting or maybe not. Okay, there we go. I'm going to go get it from my website real fast. I should have a hosting or maybe not. Now I'm going to log in. I'm going to go get it from my website real fast. I should have a hosting or maybe not. Now I'm going to log in. I'm going to get it from my website real fast. I should have a hosting or maybe not. Now I'm going to log in. Sure, acts like my internet connection is not very good. I don't understand what's going on with that. I mean, I'm looking at it. I know it's going good. I'm looking at how looking at my OBS, and I'm connected at a very high rate. So there's no reason why it should be going through this at all. None whatsoever. At a very high rate. Sign in with Google. There's no reason why it should be going through this at all. None whatsoever. At a very high rate. Sign in with Google. There's no reason why it should be going through this at all. None whatsoever. At a very high rate. Sign in with Google. There's no reason why it should be going through this at all. None whatsoever. Sign in with Google. Man, what is taking so long? This don't make any sense, man. Come on now. Man, all right, let's go to. What's taking so long? This don't make any sense, man. Come on now. All right, let's go to. If you don't know about web hosting, that's something else I'm going to be doing pretty soon as well. I'll be streaming about web hosting and just all kinds of stuff, man. I mean, that's what I love. I love doing this stuff, even when it takes 2 hours to open. I don't understand why it's doing that. I guess just to make me look stupid on live stream, but you know, that's just part of life, man. There's some things cannot be avoided. I guess just to make me look stupid on live stream, but you know, that's just part of life, man. There's some things cannot be avoided, and I'm still waiting. This does not make any sense. Come on, you got to be kidding me. And I'm still waiting. This does not make any sense. Come on, you got to be kidding me. And I'm still waiting. This does not make any sense. Come on, you got to be kidding me. Well, I don't get it. There we go, finally. Something is definitely going wrong here. I don't understand what it is. So now I'm going to go down here. Or actually, I guess I'm not, because it still has not even loaded correctly. So now I'm going to go down here. Or actually, I guess I'm not, because it still has not even loaded correctly. So now I'm going to go down here. We're going to go to my media library. And we're going to go get this one right here. We're going to go to details. We're going to go to file path. And we're going to copy that. And we're going to go get this one. We're going to go back to Pipeline Pro. And I'm going to install this. I'm going to, bang, drop that on there. I'm not going to worry about a tracking code or anything like that. I'm not going to enable the chat widget. It's no reason to. Let's go ahead and save it. Now, let's go to publishing, right? There's our path. There's everything that we need. Let's go to publishing, right? There's our path. There's everything that we need. Let's go to publishing, right? Let's go to redirects real quick. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Don't want to add a redirect. There's no reason to. Very good, very good, very good, very good. My overview. All right. Now. My overview. All right. Settings. Okay, that's good. Everything's good there. Settings. Okay, that's good. Everything's good there. Settings. Let's go ahead and select the domain. We're going to use Super Sweet Deals Online. Actually, let's go with PowerDigital121.pro. You will be wanting to get you a custom domain. You don't want to use the domains that come with these things. They are spam box ready. They will land in the spam box every single time. You need to have your own custom domains. You see, these are 3 custom domains: Super Sweet Deals Online, Super Sweet Deals Online, PowerDigital121.pro. These are different domains that I use for my landing pages because obviously I can't use the domain of my actual website because it don't want to let you use these builders with it. It has to be separate. So anyway, but that's just how it goes. All right, so we got it. That's it. Let's go ahead and make sure that we save all of our progress here. And in fact, that's it. Let's go ahead. That's good to go. Now we can copy this. Right? Well, hold on. First, let's go ahead and edit. I want to go back and edit this page. Now we can copy this. Excuse me. Like I told you, I've been sick for a while. I want to go back and edit this page. Now we can copy this. Excuse me. Like I told you, I've been sick for a while. All right. So here we are. We're back there again. Excuse me. Like I told you, I've been sick for a while. All right. So here we are. We're back there again. All right, so here we are. We're back here. Now what we need to do is we need to go and check how this looks on mobile, right? Now you see this don't look good at all. See the difference in this? So now on the mobile font size, we're going to bring that font size down. We're going to make it about like that. We're going to bring this font size down on mobile, right? Bang, bang, bang. We're going to make it, we want them to look aesthetically clean, right? So now we're going to take this right here. We're going to take some of the padding off the top so that we bring that up. So now we're going to take this. We're going to do the same here. Padding off the top, and we're going to bring that up. Yeah, give me the whole thing. Okay. So padding off the top and padding off the bottom on this, right? Yeah, give me the whole thing. Okay. So padding up the top. All right, so now you see how it's designed. So this will be the video. After the video will be click here. Then it'll be the image. Then it'll be click here. And then it's the short description. Then, of course, the click here. Let's go ahead and remove some of this padding as well. We're going to take padding off the top of that. We want to bring that up some. And in fact, I think we want to actually add a little bit of padding on this, on the bottom, wherever it is. What am I looking at? Okay, padding on the bottom. Let's bring that down just a little bit, because we don't want it to be right up against it. Man, that don't look right. That never looks right, ever. Okay, padding on the bottom. Let's bring that down just a little bit, because we don't want it to be right up against it. Man, that don't look right. That never looks right, ever. Okay. Our explanation, and then here's that. Let's go ahead and remove some of the padding off the top of this. Our explanation, and then here's some of the padding off the bottom of this. All right, very good, very good, very good. And I do think that looks a lot better. All right, very good, very good, very good. Take some of the padding off the top of that. Just take some of the padding off the bottom of that. Bang. That should bring out. Remember, our video is going to be right there, man. So it is what it is, right? I mean, there's nothing we can do about that. So let's just leave it how that is. Now, if you notice, we've got clear calls to action, right? We've got Simfox Black Friday Bonanza, right? Let's go ahead and change that. I don't really like the way that I'm not good with the way that looks. So let's take our mobile font size. We're gonna bring that down. That's a lot better looking, right? Don't you think? Let's take our mobile font size. We're gonna bring that down. Yeah. So these here. What size is this? I've got 12. Size is this 10. Yeah. So let's go ahead and bring that up to 12 as well. What size is this? Bang. That way they look at least uniformed right there. Yeah. So let's go ahead and bring that up to 12 as well. And there you have it, man. There's our little landing page. So let's jump over here. We're going to go ahead and save this, of course. Now, here's our title. Let's go back to our bang. Right, we got to go back up here. And we're going to go get our title again from somewhere. Right, we got to go back up here. And we're going to go get our title again from somewhere. Where's that? Where did it go? Where's that? Where did it go? We'll do that. We'll do this. Where's that? Actually, you know what? Let's not do that. Let's do this. Let's go back. We'll do that. We'll do this. Let's take that. Copy. You know what? Let's not do that. Let's do this. Settings. SEO metadata. This is very important, man. This is a very, very, very important settings. Watching now. Started stream 66 minutes ago. Very, very, very important. All right, so we're gonna put this as our title. Paste. We're going to go back over here and go grab our description real quick. Paste. We're going to go back over here and go grab our description real quick. Paste. We're going to go back over here and go grab our description real quick. It's going to be too much, but let's see. It's going to be too much. Okay. But let's see. Now, keywords, right? Let's go back over here. It's going to be too much. Okay. In fact, I'm going to use Harpa. I don't know if you know what Harpa is, but we're going to use Harpa. All right, so let's see. Let's go ahead and I'm going to use Harpa. I don't know if bring up Harpa, but we're going to use Harpa. All right, so let's see. Where are you at, Harpa? Come on. I'm going to use Harpa. I don't know bring up Harpa. Oh, it's because I'm not. I'm sorry, I'm tripping. All right, so let's see. Where are you at, Harpa? There's Harpa. Very, very, very good. Oh, it's because I'm not. All right. I'm sorry, I'm tripping. So for Harpa, we're going to go ahead and create some clickbait here. Let's just click right here. All right. So for Harpa, we're going to go ahead and create some clickbait here. Let's just click right here. Metadata description from text, right? And what are we going to use? We're going to, obviously, we're going to use the page as context. And what are we going to use? We're going to, and send. Let's ask it to create it for us. So now, there we go. There's our meta descriptions. All right. Unlock peak productivity with Pipeline Pro. Oh man, it's not the right one. Just looking at Pipeline, not what I have on the screen. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and go to preview. Let's bring Harpa down real quick. Let's go to preview. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and go to now. Let's bring up Harpa. And let's do the same thing. Now let's bring up Harpa. Meta description from text. We're going to use the page's context, meta description, and send. We're going to use the page's context. There we go. And send. Unlock the power of Simfox lifetime access for just $49. Grow your audience and engage fans with unlimited customized emails. Email marketing made easy. Simfox lifetime deal with 80% off. $49 one-time fee. Compose, resend, and automate with style. Content creators enjoy Simfox, the ultimate email marketing tool. Offers a lifetime license for $49. No monthly fees. Just effective marketing. So I think we're going to go with $49. No monthly fees. Just effective. This one, we're gonna go with the middle one. So I think we're gonna go copy it. Now back to Pipeline Pro. Let's go ahead and take this. We're gonna go with the middle one. Copy it. And we're going to paste it in there. Okay, good. So that's good. Now we're going to go back over here to the same place. If you notice now, I have my favicon there and everything. It has the same. I mean, it's awesome the way that this works. So now I'm just going to hit the escape button here on Harpa, and we're going to go and we're going to go get keywords. We're going to extract the primary keywords from this. Let's see. Meta description. We're going to extract the primary keywords from this. Let's see. I'm not going to use the clickbait writer. Description, title writer. I'm not going to use the clickbait writer. Description, title writer. There we go. Extract and research keywords. So now we're going to go use the pages as context again and let it pull them. Now it's going to give us LSI keywords and everything. This is great, man. Now we're going to go use the pages as context again and let it pull them. Now it's going to give us LSI keywords. So this is great, man. Now we're going to go use the pages. These are going to be the keywords that we use. I want to go ahead and copy these. So we're going to open a new page. These are going to be the keywords that we use. I want to go ahead and copy these. Create a new. We're going to open a new document. Now I'm just going to paste these on here. Bang. All right. Document. Take that and I'm going to move it aside over here to my other screen that you guys can't see. All right. And I'm going to drop Harpa down and I'm going to go back to Pipeline Pro. Now keywords, I'm going to use all of these right here. And I'm going to go back to Pipeline Pro. Now keywords, I'm going to use all of these right here. And I'm going to go back. Copy. Now keywords, I'm going to use paste. Box. Copy. Paste. Lifetime access. Paste. Copy. Lifetime access. Paste. Copy. Content creators. Copy. Copy. Content creators. Paste. Copy. Content creators. Email marketing. Paste. Copy. Content creators. Copy. Email marketing. Paste. Uh-oh. Paste. Copy. Email marketing. Paste. One-time fee. Paste. Copy. Email marketing. One-time fee. Copy. Uh-oh, there we go. Paste. Copy. Uh-oh, there we go. Paste. And unlimited emails. Copy. Paste. And unlimited emails. Copy. And paste. Now we're going to do some LSI keywords as well. Copy. And paste. Now we're going to do some LSI keywords as well. Copy. And paste. Now we're going to do some LSI keywords. Copy. I hate having to go back and scroll back over every time, and it's aggravating. Paste LSI keywords, okay. Now give us another comma. Scroll back over every time, these. It's aggravating. LSI keywords. LSI keywords, okay. Now give us another copy. Comma. Scroll back over every time, these. It's aggravating. LSI keywords. LSI keywords, okay. Now give us another copy. Comma. Paste, and that should be good. Author. Damian Donald. Paste, and this is going to be the social image that we want to use, and this is the one we're going to use, the same one that we use for the thing. So that should give it that. There we are, and this is what it's going to look like. Email marketing made easy. Sendbox lifetime deal with 80% off, $49 one-time fee. Compose and send emails and automate with style. Simbox Black Friday Bonanza. Now you see the way this looks, man. This looks excellent, and aesthetically it just looks great, man. So we're gonna update the metadata. We're going to keep that, and we're going to save it. And aesthetically, it just looks great, man. So we're going to yes. We're going to keep that, and we're going to save it. And aesthetically, it just looks great, man. So now, yes. Let's add another page. Let's go to Facebook. You guys come get me on Facebook too, man. From the PowerDigital121, man. PowerDigital121. You can't miss it. You guys come see me. For real. All right, now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to paste this in. I'll let you see what it looks like. All right, now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to, let's go back to the beginning. Are you kidding me? Hold on. Let's go back to the beginning. Are you kidding me? Hold on. We're going to go back. Hopefully it don't take another hour to get back out of there. Seriously. Hopefully it don't take another hour to get back out of there. Seriously. Hopefully it don't take another hour to get back out of there. Seriously. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. And we're going to copy our URL. Copy. Go back to Facebook. Okay, that's good. Bang. And here we go. And there it is. Copy our URL. Copy. Very good. Facebook. And we're going to send this on out. We're going to post it. And there it is. Our landing page has been posted. Here we go. And there it is. Copy our URL. Copy. Very good. Facebook. And we're going to send this on out. Well, they always have stupid stuff on there, man. And there it is. And look where it brings us. Right here. That's a pretty good looking little landing page, you guys. I think we did a good job, man. I appreciate anybody who actually stopped in and hung out with me a little bit. I've noticed there's been some ins and outs and all that other good stuff, and that's good. That's okay. I'll be doing a whole lot more of this stuff, man. I actually enjoy doing this. These are the things that I do in my time anyway, so I really actually enjoy having you guys here along to come do it with me. And I forgot to fix this. That's good. That's okay. I've got to go back and fix that. Yep. All right. So you guys might as well come back and fix it with me, right? Why not? You're still here. I'm still here. Let's do it. Let's go fix it. Edit page. I've got to go back and fix that. Yep. All right. Let's go down here and let's get to this. Come back and fix it with me, right? Why not? You're still here. I'm still here. Let's do it. Let's go fix it. It helps me grow my audience. I've got to go back and fix that. All right. Let's go down here and let's get to this. Let's go ahead and just bang. Let's get some white area through there. It helps me grow my audience. All right. Let's go down here and let's get to this. Let's go ahead and just bang. Let's get some white area through there. It helps me grow my audience. All right. Let's go down here. Uh-oh, wrong spot. Let's go ahead and just bang. Let's get some white area through there. It helps me grow my audience. I should have put that button inside of there. I think I can just grab it and pull it up into there right now, can't I? I want it to be right there. Uh-oh, put it way at the top. Not what I was trying to do. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete that. That's no problem. I should have put that button inside of there. I'm going to add it. Just grab it and pull it up into there right now, can't I? I want it to be right there. Uh-oh, put it way at the top. Not what I was trying to. You know what? Who cares? So I'm gonna go ahead and just. Actually, I do care. I've got to have it on there. Button inside of there. I'm going to add it. Just grab it and pull it up into there right now. Button. I want it to be right there. Uh-oh. Themes all the way back down to the bottom. Bang. Who cares? Let's just say. Actually, I do. Lifetime license $49. Going to add it. General. Button. Themes all the way back down to the bottom. Bang. Who cares? Let's just say. Actually, I do. Lifetime license $49. General. Button. Themes all the way back down to the bottom. Bang. Who cares? Click here. Lifetime license $49. General. Let's go ahead and. In fact, that's good enough. Let's go ahead and save it. Click here. Let's go ahead and. In fact, that's good enough. Testimonials. Bold. Underline. That's good enough. Testimonials. One-time fee, save me $100 every month. Also, bold campaign. Underline. Holly. All right, good to go. All right, guys. I hope that you got something out of this. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me blunder around a little bit. It's kind of hilarious, honestly. I do appreciate it. All right, good to go. I do appreciate it, and I hope that you all have a great day. And until next time, man, I hope to see you guys here again on PowerDigital121. Till next time, man, I love you guys. Keep it moving, man. Keep it moving. Have a great day. I do appreciate it, and I hope that you all have a great day. And until next time, man, I hope to see you guys here again on PowerDigital121. Till next time, man, I love you guys. Keep it moving, man. Keep it moving. Have a great day. And I hope that you all have a great day. And until next time, man, I hope to see you guys here again on PowerDigital121. Till next time, man, I love you guys. Keep it moving, man. Keep it moving. That's ChatGPT. Please give me a product description for SendFox. So it'll generate that for me. Now, while it's generating that for me, I'll show you something else we could have done over there on the Pipeline Pro page. Is rather than just embedding the video from their website, from their YouTube, we could have just snip and sketched the picture of the screen that allows you to do it on YouTube. We could have just taken that, put it on there, and then linked it to the page. And actually, that helps your pages load faster. So Sendbox is an email marketing tool that helps content creators grow their audience and engage their fans with customized emails. With Sendbox, you can blah, 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 blah.